Hi guys, I did a little video just now where I showed you I'd made a wind-up version of my Grandad is an Old Man logo. What I didn't tell you in the little video, because it was only a short video, was where these bits came from, which was a kit of, I can't remember, 10 or 12 cut out and fold monsters. I think they were monsters. They were either monsters or dinosaurs. I think they were probably monsters. And I think I had about 6 of these. I can't find the other ones. That one works fine. This one's actually broken. We'll take it apart and have a look. That's what this video is about. The leg, as you can see, has got a hole in it. I'm pretty sure there's a cam or something that goes in that hole so that as the axle, or what you want to call it, the drive shaft turns round, that lifts that up and down and also pushes it forwards and backwards. And say this side is broken. Well, let's wind it up and show you. Yeah. It's trying to go, but it isn't. So we'll take it apart and see if we can fix it, or at very least see if we can work out how it works. It looks like that goes in like that. That doesn't want to come off. Bit of pressure on it. And try and pop that out. There we go. Come on. Right, that's off. That's going to lift out. So what's the problem? Oh, there it is, just fell out. Ah, right. Oh, we're not going to fix that very easily. That's actually broken off. Probably out of focus anyway, isn't it? Yeah, that little cam there. That's the shaft, which is broken just there. I'm not going to be able to glue that, whatever we do. Well, I'll just wind that up, you can see what it does. So it lifts it up and down and at the same time pushes it side to side. And it would if it was on there. Do that again. And then it would have a bit sticking across here to pivot on. And that bit just there. Yeah, I don't think there's very much we can do to fix that. There's the vaguest possibility I could push a hot pin through there. I expect they're probably opposed, one down while the other one's up. Dropped it on the floor. Yeah, one pointing down while the other one points up. I can't honestly imagine there's the slightest chance of fixing that. So I could try and push a hot pin through there to give it a shaft up the middle. That sounds wrong, doesn't it? To be honest, we might just well take it apart and have a look at the rest of it while we've got it this far apart. Is that going to click apart? Yeah. So, oh, that's something that's relevant. We've been talking about in some recent videos, and I've forgotten what it's called. Escapement or something. That particular piece has a specific name, but what it means is as that turns, it turns a little bit, and this moves one way, and then it goes the other way to release it, but it can only go one step at a time. And I have forgotten what that piece is called, but it's called an escapement, the actual motion. But that piece comes off there, and that piece would go on there, but it's broken. And that does look like that should push out. It's probably glued in. Either glued or it's a friction fit. It's not going to come out easily. I expect it's a hole exactly the same as that one. Yeah, I don't think we're going to get that out. That one off. Yeah, it's not going to pull off either. Probably end up breaking that one as well. Not that it matters, because it's too late now anyway. Right. Just to show you, under there is the actual flat spring that you wind up by turning that. On the back of here, which we can't get to because we can't release this, there'll be some sort of ratchet effect so that you can turn the handle without this gear turning. Then that gear drives that gear would drive that gear if it was in place. And then that's our escapement that allows it to release slowly by doing just one tooth at a time by rocking backwards and forwards. And that's the bit that's broken off, which would be on the end of the shaft on that one. And the only thing I could do there, if I had the accuracy to be able to do that, would be to drill that out and put probably a metal shaft right the way through. I don't have that sort of accuracy for drilling. I've just pushed it back together just to show that it does still work. But obviously not with that bit. I have a one-legged walker. I won't throw it out. There might be something I can do with that. Doesn't last for very long. Something that comes to mind would be a flipper-driven little boat. We'd have a flipper going side to side on the back there. Yeah, if you imagine a flipper on there. Just an idea.
Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.